How to use Lyft scheduled rides to plan ahead. So first of all, let's open our Lyft and make sure you're logged into your account. Then the first thing that you would need to do is tap on the schedule icon that you'll see in the middle right here. So after doing that, we'll get to this place where you'll need to tap on schedule a ride. So now what you're going to do is simply add in your destination. Simply select a destination, and now what you're going to do is select your schedule. So let's just say I want to schedule it to Friday at around 10:15 p.m. I have selected my date and time. Now in here you can see this is the depart one, so all you need to do is tap on next. So if you want to select the arrive one, you can tap on arrive, and in here what you're going to do is simply select the arrived time and date. And after doing all of this, all you need to do is tap on next, and then you can go along with the process of how you can simply schedule your ride on Lyft, and that's it. How to use Lyft Pink membership benefits. So for that, open your Lyft and make sure you're logged into your account. Then from here, what you're going to do is tap on the profile icon right here. Then you can see the option of Lyft Pink. Simply tap on that one, and in here you can now tap on the claim 1 month free trial. So after doing that, tap on I agree to the terms and conditions, then tap on select payment method and add in your payment method. You can go along with your Apple Pay, or you can tap on add payment method and select any of your Lyft cash, or you can even add in your credit or debit card. You can also use some sort of gift card. So after doing that one, all you need to do is tap on save payment method. Then you'll get to the another process of how you will be able to purchase your Lyft Pink. So in here you have to remember that 1 month after adding down your payment method would be completely free, so you can use all of the benefits of Lyft Pink for completely free for 1 month. So yeah, this is how you can use it.